Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome to another adventure with the Traveling Automan. I'm here at the Bake Oven Knob parking lot, and we're going to do a section of the AT today. We're going to do about 8 miles from Bake Oven Knob down into Lehigh Gap. This is a place I've been as a kid. Bake Oven Knob is an excellent overlook because it's so popular. It has a lot of graffiti on it, but they clean it up, so we'll see that. And then we're going to hike down into Lehigh Gap and the newest section of the trail, the North Trail. So it's very, very chilly out this morning, but I came bundled up. Should be an absolutely beautiful hike. The fall colors are just amazing right now. It's peak foliage season here in Pennsylvania. So this should be an absolutely spectacular hike. Some excellent views, excellent color, and great hiking weather. So you can't ask for anything more. So all right, let's get started and let's get on down the trail. You can see the absolutely beautiful here on the trail. Colors. It is really cool. Sun's out. It's a little after 8 o'clock, so we should get this done hopefully in 4 or 5 hours. But like I said, Bake Oven Knob is a place I've gone before as a kid. It's an awesome lookout, and it's only about 4/10 of a mile from the parking lot, so it is. So that makes it extremely popular, especially on the weekends, and people just come up here to party and whatnot. So the Pennsylvania Game Commission, which owns this land here, has tried to clean it up by getting the graffiti off. So I will show you some of that when we get there. But man, you can't beat that. Oh, absolutely gorgeous out here. That's the way we came. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So it may just be a short hike to the knob, but it's all up here with these rocks, right up this way. So, but the lookout's not too far, so, and then we'll continue on. We'll stop and relive some of my childhood memories here, but yeah, sun's up over there. Come up over this ridge. At the top, you can see the visual line here of Blue Mountain. All right, absolutely gorgeous. All right, we made it to the knob. The graffiti is pretty much just some up here. But a lot of it is off. But let me show you this overlook. This is one of the better ones. See the fog in there in the valley. The colors there. See, the valley is shrouded with the morning fog. Absolutely stunning. Peak fall season. You can see all across the valley. See in the distance there, all the fog out there. It's pretty neat. Awesome. It is. It's very, very beautiful here. Very peaceful. I'm here at 8 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. There's no one else here, so I have the whole place to myself. The colors are just spectacular. And this is a beautiful place, and why people choose to graffiti this is beyond me. But the Pennsylvania Game Commission has done a great job of cleaning this up and you know, making it taking away the graffiti and whatnot. So, but in case my viewers don't know, I am working my way through completing the Pennsylvania portion of the Appalachian Trail. I'm over 52%, so this will put me near 60% done, and then I'll have 32 miles left in the northern section. So I hope to get the northern section done by January. When before my schedule really gets hectic, and then hopefully next summer I can complete it. But man, this is gorgeous out here. The fog over the valley, the sun coming up. Amazing, man, amazing. Probably could come up here for the sunrise too, but I don't know. You know, places like this just make me think about you know, how small we are. You know, you look down, you see for miles, you see mountains and forests, and you know, just miles and miles of Pennsylvania farmland. You know, so. But this is why I enjoy hiking, getting up early. It allows me to come out here and have some alone time, have some thinking time, and yeah, it's just it's very peaceful. So I'll show you, but I mean, look, that's so you can see the fog. See that right down there? That's all. So that's fog in the valley down there. And this is the overlook that the road was named for, that you come up, and then there's a shelter a little bit farther down. But man, how can you not love this? I mean, this is just it's just beautiful up here. Now and then people to face the rocks here. I mean, it's not terrible. I mean, I've seen videos where this is a lot worse, but like I said, the Game Commission has done a great job of cleaning this up. So I'm going to enjoy this for a little bit, and then we'll get going. This will be the first of many views today. Well, unfortunately, I'm going to have to leave soon, but man, that fog in the valley is just stunning. One more look. It's so beautiful out here. See all the way down there. So beautiful. Alright, we came across this nice little campsite here walking. Nice little firing. Some stone chairs, very nice. You can imagine here sitting by the campfire. You know, telling stories. Some tempting sights there. There's a little trailer there to prepare food. Some good tenting sites. Nice little campground here. This is between Big Oven Knob and Big Oven Knob Shelter. So, all right, onward we go. All right, we came to the turnoff for the shelter here, so let's go down here. See the Big Oven Knob Shelter. I have not been here before. I went as far as the knob, but I don't remember coming down to the shelter as a kid. But this is one of the older shelters. All right, so there's actually a couple of gentlemen down there camping, so I'm not going to record, but this is the Big Oven Knob Shelter. This was built in 1939, and it's one of the oldest on the AT, and it is pretty run down. A lot of people would say that this is one of the worst, if not the worst shelter on the AT. It's definitely the worst in Pennsylvania that I've seen, but it's old, 1939. So, who put all these rocks here? Like, the trail was nice, moving smoothly, and then all of a sudden there's this big, gigantic pile of rocks that you have to get up and over. I mean, these are at least these bigger rocks. But the section I did the other day, which was brutal. I did, what was it? Hawk Mountain Road to 309. And that was just pretty, well, the overlooks was good, but very brutal. But see, the trees a little bit, leaves all the way off up here. So, all right, let's try to navigate these rocks here. But this is typical for Pennsylvania, no surprise. I've definitely done far worse. Alright, so the section we just did is maintained by the Blue Mountain Eagle Club. They're responsible for maintaining the trail, making sure there's no, blowdowns or everything. Make sure it's nice and manicured, and they did a great job. The trail looks great. So kudos to the Blue Mountain Eagle Club. However, the club neglects oven bake shelter. That's, of course, the Big Oven Knob Shelter. But I'll leave that up for you to decide. But the trail looks great. I have no complaints. No trees, no blowdowns. Able to make good time. So kudos. All right, onward we go. We're almost to Lehigh Furnace Gap, which is Ashfield Road, and then we'll be hitting. And then we'll be making the rest of the way to the North Trail, which is the new AT. We made it to the power line cut. Man, is that beautiful. Fall is definitely here. It's a good place for a break. Sitting on one of those rocks down there, just taking this view. Ooh, boy, that's Ashfield Road, so that's the end. So I was considering just doing out to Ashfield Road, which is also known as Lehigh Furnace Gap, and then going back. But I decided to do the full. It's going to be almost 9 miles because with the reroutes, it added about a mile to the trail. But still, making good time today. But boy, that is freaking beautiful, man. If it weren't for the power lines there, that would be awesome. But Still pretty nice. Let me zoom in there. You can see the farmland down there.